For the curve s equal to a into e raised to x upon c, this show that c into rho equal to s into under square root s square minus c square. आपल्याला हा कर्व दिलेला आहे यस इक्वल टू ए इंटू ई रेश टू एक्स बाय सी. यस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स. ह्याच्या अगोदरच्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये काय होतं, यस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ साय होतं. बघू आता ह्याचं सायमध्ये कन्वर्ट करू आपण, कारण यस असल्यामुळं आपल्याला इंट्रासायनिक इक्वेशन यस आणि साय असणं गरजेचं आहे. बघू यस इज द गिव्हन कर्व डिफरन्शिएटिंग वन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू यस with respect to x, ds derivative of s with respect to x, the ds by dx equal to a as it is. Derivative of e raised to x by c is the e raised to x by c, and derivative of x by c is the 1 upon c as it is, and derivative of x is the 1, and a into this e raised to x upon c is the s, means ds upon dx is the s upon c. Call this as a equation number 2. We know dx upon ds is the cos psi. ds upon dx is the s upon c, and dx upon ds is the cos. This ds by dx and dx by ds, these are the reciprocal of each other. Using 2 and 3, derivative of s with respect to x is the 1 upon cos x, that is the sec x and sec x, and ds dx is the s by c. ds by dx is the derivative of s with respect to x is the s by c, and त्याचा reciprocal 1 upon cos means sec x. Both are same. S upon c equal to sec psi and s equal to c sec psi, which is the intracyclic equation in s and contains and psi. Differentiating with respect to psi, derivative of s with respect to psi is the d psi upon ds upon d psi equal to c as it is, and derivative of sec psi is the sec psi into tan psi. sec psi ची किंमत काय असेल, s upon c. tan psi means under square root tan square psi. tan square psi is the nothing but sec square psi minus 1. sec psi ची किंमत s upon c ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर, म्हणजे c इंटू s upon c into under square root s upon c bracket square minus 1. This c get cancel, only s remaining, s into s square upon c square minus 1, that is the s into s square minus c square upon c square. अंडर स्क्वेअर रूटमध्ये c स्क्वेअर आहे, बाहेर येईल s upon c s square under square root s square minus c square, and ds by d psi is the radius of curvature rho. Rho equal to s upon c in under square root s square minus c square, that is the c rho equal to s into s square minus c square. ठीक आहे. आता आपण काय करू, रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर काढू. कोणत्या इक्वेशनचं, इफ द गिवन इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व इन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म. जर त्याचं कार्टेशियन फॉर्ममध्ये जर इक्वेशन दिलं असेल तर काढू. थेरी बघू. वाय इक्वल टू एफ एक्स इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द कर्व इन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म. We know derivative of y with respect to s is the tan psi. Psi is the angle made by tangent to the positive x-axis. Now differentiating this with respect to s, we get tan psi with respect to s करतोय आपण. tan psi चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय असेल, psi is a function of s, म्हणजे sec square psi and derivative of psi with respect to s, आणि y is a function of x, and which is using, now we want to take the derivative with respect to s, with respect to arc length. Use the chain rule. याचा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x अँड एक्सचा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू s. एक फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे ऑलरेडी, आणि आता अजून एक घेतो आहे, म्हणजे सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ y विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x अँड dx बाय ds. ठीक आहे. बट dx by ds is the cos psi. Put here dx by d is the cos psi. This is the second derivative of y with respect to x. This is the d psi upon ds, that is the 1 upon rho sec square psi upon rho second order derivative of y with respect to x and 1 upon sec psi. हा sec psi LHSला शिफ्ट केला, sec cube psi divided by d square y upon dx square equal to rho, that is the radius of curvature is the sec cube psi upon d square y dx square. sec म्हणजे काय, sec raised to 3 आहे, मग 3 बाहेर काढू आपण, फक्त सेक काय करू, सेक स्क्वेअर घेऊ. सेक स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 1 प्लस टॅन स्क्वेअर म्हणजे 1 प्लस टॅन स्क्वेअर अँड इट रेज टू 3 अँड डी स्क्वेअर वाय बाय डी एक्स स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज. आता टॅन सायची किंमत काय, डी वाय डी एक्स म्हणून अंडर रो इक्वल टू अंडर स्क्वेअर रूट 1 प्लस डी वाय बाय डी एक्स ब्रॅकेट रेज टू 2 अँड होल थिंग रेज टू 3 upon d square y upon dx square, that is here is this bracket raised to 3 and this quantity under square root sign, means we can write 1 plus dy by 1 plus into bracket dy by dx bracket raised to 2 bracket complete and it raised to half into 3, that is the 3 by 2, a raised to m and it raised to n, that is the a raised to mn, or a raised to 1 upon m and n, that is the a raised to n upon m, like this a raised to 3 by 2. Thus we get the formula for radius of curvature equal to 1 plus dy dx bracket raised to 2 and it raised to 3 by 2 upon d square y by dx square. This is when the tangent is not perpendicular to x-axis, then we use this formula. When the tangent is perpendicular to x-axis, then in this case dx by dy is 0. Then we have to use the formula radius of curvature 1 plus dx dy bracket square and this raised to 3 by 2 upon d square x upon dy square. इथं dy dx आहे, इथं dx dy. Here is the y is a function of x, here x is a function of y. आता या फॉर्म्युलेचा यूज करून दिलेल्या कार्टेशियन इक्वेशनचा आपण रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर किंवा कर्वेचर काढू. फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर ऑफ द दिस सर्कल एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस वाय स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू ए स्क्वेअर ॲट एनी पॉईंट. दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल. Call this as a 1. Differentiating with respect to x. Derivative of x is the 2x plus y is a 2y and dy by dx and a is the constant 0. 2y dy dx equal to minus 2x and dy dx equal to x upon y. Now then differentiating with respect to x. हा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह डी स्क्वेअर वाय अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वेअर इक्वल टू -1 into bracket denominator as it is, derivative denominator is the 1 minus numerator as it is and derivative denominator is the dy by dx upon y square. Here is the y minus dy by dx ची किंमत किती काढले, -x upon y using 2 minus into bracket y plus x square upon y and whole thing divided by y square. Then taking cross product in this bracket y square plus x square upon y and y square, that is minus x square plus y square upon y cube. But the values of x square plus y square is the s square, hence second order derivative of y with respect to x is the minus s square upon y cube using 1 x square plus y square equal to s square. X square plus y square equal to s square. We know the formula for radius of curvature, rho equal to into square bracket 1 plus in rounded bracket dy by dx rounded bracket complete bracket square and square bracket complete and it raised to 3 by 2 upon d square y by dx square. dy by dx ची किंमत किती आहे, -x by y आणि त्याचा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे हा चौकोनी ब्रॅकेट इट रेज टू 3 by 2 1 plus -x upon y bracket raised to 2 and d square y by dx square ची किंमत मायनस ए स्क्वेअर अपॉन वाय क्यूब 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर upon y square and bracket raised to 3 by 2 upon minus a square upon y cube. Then y square plus x square upon y square it raised to 3 by 2 upon minus a square upon y cube. X square plus y square is the a square by y square raised to 3 by 2 upon a square by y cube. This minus is taken at the center. A raised to 2 and it raised to 3 by 2 means a raised to 3. Y raised to 2 and it raised to 3 by 2 means y raised to 3. At the denominator a raised to 2 divided by y raised to 3. This y raised to 3, y raised to 3 get cancel. A raised to 3 divided by a raised to 2. Then we get a. Thus we get rho equal to minus a. That is the radius